Okay, in the previous video, we entered our bank receipts. In this video, we'll enter the bank payments. So we have the bank account still highlighted. We'll click on the bank payment button to open the bank payments window. We'll again jump straight into the transactions, as I think you are familiar with this window so far and this functionality, and you know what the calculate net button is doing. You know all the columns and everything that you are going to be doing with this window. In the bank column, we need to make sure that we have the nominal code of the bank account, which is 1200, and the date for the first transaction is the 16th of May 2020. Sorry. The reference is bank payments, and the nominal code for this is our water charges, so our expenses, because we've paid Severn Trent. In the details, we'll just put the name of the company that we are paying, and the net amount is £350, but this is the gross figure actually, because we're working from the bank statement. Don't forget, when you're working in your bank statement or from the bank statement, unless you've been told to ignore the VAT, everything needs to be, the calculate net button needs to be used. So we'll do that right now. Second transaction, again, we're paying from the bank account, and it happened on the 30th of May 2020. Okay. The reference for this is bank payments. The nominal code for this transaction is your bank charges, so 7901. And the details, we'll just type in bank charges, and don't forget we need to ignore the VAT on this. So it's £27 and it's T2 this time, as we are using T2 tax code to ignore VAT on bank charges or interest received paid. Third transaction happened on the 31st of May. That's drawings. So in the reference, we make bank payments again. We'll type in nominal code is drawings, nominal code 3050. In the details, we'll type in drawings. And the net is £850, and we'll T9 this time because there is no VAT. The fourth and final transaction is for rent. So this happened on the 31st of May 2020. In the reference, we'll type in bank payments, and the nominal code is going to be the rent expense nominal code, which is in the sevens. So 7100. In details, we'll type in rent. And again, we're ignoring the VAT on this, so £850, and we need to T9 this transaction. I made a little error there. You can just click save. Okay, so this was the bank payment side of this task. So this was task 4. In the next video, we'll look at corrections and reports as well.